Hey guys, it's Ivy and Happy New Year. Happy New You guys. We are going in Dollar General for the last time for me for 2025. I have some free and some cheap deals for you. The cleaning deals are awesome. I do not want you to miss those, so please do not miss them, guys. Let's make this last day count. So we're going to come right over here to the oral care. Now, I heard that the glitch on the free toothpaste is over, but we're going to scan this Crest 3D. Now, as you can see, it is $3.35. We have a coupon. Buy 3, save 5. Buy 1, save 1. But if you scan the product code itself, it is $3. So we can get our math together. And then you can use those coupons, okay? Now, whenever you see the little scissors, you know to tap it, it needs to turn into a check mark. So let me arrow out all that. We're going to go $3, 9, 4. You're going to pay $1.33 for them. No, it's not as good as that freebie glitch that we had right here on that dollar one, but the glitch is over. Now, it needs to be the one that says 1.5. That one did not work for me. It did not attach, guys. But I heard if you go into some in older stores that they work. So that's probably where the older products are at. Now, we're going to go right down here to our travel section. You're going to pick up your Purse Crest mouthwash with scope in it. Guys, scan the product itself. It is $1. There is the dollar coupon, making that your freebie. You guys know I don't like to beat around the bush, okay? Let's just get to our things. Now, ladies, let's stop skipping over the ladies. See the always liners? We're going to scan these. I have a new phone, guys, and I swear I've dropped it 3 times. They're at $5.50. We have a save $3 when you buy 2, but the instant offer is 2 for $10, guys. So we are here on an awesome deal. So let's arrow this out. This is a new thing. $10. Take your 3 off. Divide that. We're going to pay $3.50 each, guys. So pick up that, ladies. I do a lot of donations with these. Now, the Mucinex is actually $4.75. They have none. Remember when I told you they were going to clear these out because flu season was coming up? I'm a nurse. Listen to it, guys. You have a $3 coupon, making that $1.65. Now, let's come right over here to another cheapie. We're going to pick up a Febreze small space. It is $3.50. And pull it up, and we have a $2.50 coupon, guys, making this $1. Pick up your small space. I usually use these in my car. Now, let's go to the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaner. It is $6 right there. And as you can see, we have a $2 coupon, making that just $4. Now, I like the vinegar cleaner to use it in my kitchen. It is $2. Let's scan it. It's going to tell us it's $2.50. And we have a $1 coupon, making that $1.50, even though you can make your own because I do. But hey, let's try some cleaner at this point. Now, also, the bleach, the Clorox bleach is $2.95. You have a save $2 when you buy 2. So you need to pick up 2. So $2.95 times 2 makes it $5.90. Take 2 off. $3.90. We're going to pay $1.95. It's cleaning season, guys. The beginning of the year, you know you need to clean your house. Get rid of all of that bad karma up in there if you got it. Okay? Now, you also can use these Scrub and Bubbles drop-ins. If you scan that, and I mean, guys, I am really working with one hand over here, but I do have a mic now. It is $4. Then you have the instant offer of spend 10, you'll get $3 off. So before I start doing that, I think I'm going to look. I didn't see any more of those. So see the Scrub and Bubbles right here. This is also $4. I think I'm going to just go ahead and pick up 3 of those Scrub and Bubbles, okay? Instead of the drop-ins. One of them is leaking really bad, guys. So 4 times 3 is 12. I don't know what I did here, but you guys know to do your math on your own. Leaves us at 9. You're going to pay $3 each. So I picked up 3 of those because I'm telling you, we're getting ready to scrub the house down. Now, the Clorox bleach also works on this deal. So if you need bleach, grab the bleach. I don't need any bleach. I usually buy mine in bulk from Costco or Sam's Club. So it's $5.95, and you have the same coupon save 2 when you buy 2, okay? So I opt for the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. Now, let's come over here because we love cheapies. The Ajax is on sale for $1.25. You have a dollar coupon, making that just 25 cents, guys. I made my mom go and get that. Go back to the store and get it. The Dawn right here. Now, you could pick the Dawn spray or you could pick the Dawn refill. That's the one I need. It's $4. And it actually has a $2 coupon that attaches to it, making that just $2, guys. You know we can't leave without doing the detergent. Now, my favorite Arm & Hammer is on sale for $5. Guess what they gave us? A $2 coupon. So, of course, we're going to use that and we're going to get our cleaning supplies. Now, I don't want to skip over to all. And here is where I dropped my phone and all of a sudden it started doing something weird. It's $5 and we have a number of coupons. But I'm looking at that earn $2 when you buy one all detergent. So that is $3 out of pocket once you get your 2 back. Now, the Snuggle has a promotion going on. It is $3.95, couple of deals. But the one we're looking at is the instant offer of 3 for $10.50 plus. If when you buy those 3, one of those you're going to get a cash back of 75 cents. Now, Persil is my fave. It's $5.50. They have 2 coupons, the spend 20 get 5 and a $2 cash back. So if you want to do that, guys, you could do that. But I'm looking at this Persil right here, and I think I'm going to do the deal a couple of times. It's $9.95. We have a spend 20, get 5, a $2 off Persil and Purex, so don't forget. And then we have a $3 cash back. Now, it was a lady in the store. She asked me about cash back. I showed her, guys. She bought everything cash back. Here's a deal that I have on the Tide with Downy. It is $9.95, guys. Look what I got. I have a $2 DG coupon. Spend 30, save 5 P&G fabric purchase. That's not that gang coupon, guys. And then I also have a $1.50 manufacturer. So because I have a bundle to sell beginning of the year on the 3rd, I'm going to grab this Downy with Tide. And here you go, guys. I'm going to say pay $6.45 for that. But I'm going to get some more deals out of these, okay? Now, don't forget, it is a $3 coupon on the Big Tide. Don't forget your gang fireworks. That Tango is still going cheap with the coupons, guys. Here it is right here. They gave us a $2 gang coupon, DG. And then that spend 30, save 5 attaches. But remember, 2 DG coupons do not stack together. So do not think they will stack, okay? Now, that's how I'm looking right now, guys. I am filled to the brim with items that I need. It is mostly cleaning products because the beginning of the year, guys, I don't know if you notice it, almost every store is going to put their cleaning products on sale because they know the stigma that people clean their homes and their clothes the beginning of the year. So that's why you see all the cleaning products. I hope you guys have a wonderful new year. Keep everyone in your prayers. I love you guys, and let's continue saving for 2026. Bye.